Android crashing or freezing. In this video, we'll show you why it happens and how to fix it quickly. Part 1. Why does software crash on Android? Low storage space, too many background apps, weak internet connection, outdated apps, missing app permissions, excess junk data, old system software. Part 2. How to fix Android crash and 11 hot tips. Tip 1. Restart your Android phone. Tip 2. Check the internet connection. Tip 3. Check the app for updates. Tip 4. Boot Android phone into safe mode. Tip 5. Force stop unnecessary apps. Tip 6. Check for software update. Tip 7. Clear cache data. Tip 8. Wipe cache partition for supported devices. Tip 9. Remove cases and external batteries. Tip 10. Create more storage space. Tip 11. Check app permissions. Tip 12. Reinstall crashing apps. Tip 13. Reset your phone to factory settings. Tip 14. Check for malware or security threats. Part 3. Use an ultimate tool to fix Android crash always works. Android Repair is a professional tool that fixes various Android issues. With a high success rate, its simple steps help you solve problems quickly. How to fix Android crash via Android Repair. Step 1. Choose the System Repair module. Install and run Android Repair on a computer. Then, click System Repair from the program interface and connect your Android phone to this computer via USB. Step 2. Go to Android Repair. Select Android Repair from the left menu. This software will then show you all Android issues it can troubleshoot. You can browse it and tap Start. Step 3. Input your device info. Enter your device info in the incoming window and click Next to move on. Step 4. Enter details and confirm. Input 00000 to the blank area and hit Confirm. Step 5. Put Android into download mode. On Samsung, with the Home button, power off the phone. Press the Sprint, Home, Power, and Volume down combinations for 10 seconds or so. Then let go of all and hold Volume up. On Samsung without a Home button, power off the device. Press the Power, Bixby, and Volume down keys for around 10 seconds. Then let go of all and press Volume up. Step 6. Let the program download firmware. When your device is in that mode, click Next to download firmware for it. Soon, the product will begin repairing your Android system automatically.